How's it going, everyone? Want to do a unboxing video. I've never done one of these before. Before I even get started, I know I probably look tired. I apologize. My day job, I work at a martial arts studio, and we hosted a tournament today. I was there from 7 a.m. till about 9 p.m. It's probably, I think it's about midnight now, and because I'm an idiot, went to the casino with a friend last night, so I'm on about 4 hours of sleep. But I had this come in today from GrubHub. I started working with GrubHub. I have my package today, so I want to unbox this and let's see what's in there. When I've been doing my Uber Eats deliveries, I've just been using this bag right here. Just got this from a friend. It's an insulated bag. Boom. So you don't have to spend a ton of money or anything like that. You probably get one of these like at a dollar store for my Uber Eats. That's been working fine. But at least here in my area, there's not too many pizza shops on Uber Eats, especially in my neighborhood. I don't think there's any. So I haven't had, I've had one pizza delivery, I think. So, but a pizza won't really fit in this box. Maybe if it's small, I've done that. I've had a small and I put it in sideways. But I recently got approved by GrubHub. I've done a few deliveries from them. I made a video about that, comparing GrubHub to Uber Eats. Maybe I'll put that in the link. So let's see what we got in here from GrubHub. GrubHub's been working pretty nice. The other day it was pretty cool. I had a block where there's a 10-hour guarantee, and I think I was the one from 9 to 11, didn't get any requests. There's nothing more fun than making $20 sitting at home doing nothing. I had a block tonight from 9:30 to 11, and I only took it. I was so tired. I'm like, I wasn't gonna make any deliveries. Sure enough, at 10:51, got like a $5 request, so I just canceled it and just didn't make any money tonight. So let's see what we got in here. All right. Oh, these are kind of cool. I guess you can put these in the windshield of your car. Yeah, like a cop's not gonna give you a ticket, but at least maybe it helps. It says GrubHub, food deliveries in progress, be right back. So they give you two of those. You can stick those in your window, maybe your back window, front window, whatever, so people will see that you're actually delivering. Maybe I'll post a link to another one of my video stuff that I have in my car, because I also do Amazon Flex. I have a little yellow strobe light that goes on the top. I have a bumper sticker on the back. Says delivery driver, frequent stops. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, wow, yeah, they really like these things. I have 3 of them. I guess so you can put one on the front, back, and on the side. Oh, cool. Got the little GrubHub hat. Let's see if we can get that over my big head. There we go. We got that in there. So all kinds of stuff in here. Got the GrubHub polo shirt. Or did I get a t-shirt? Yeah, I thought I ordered a polo shirt, but I got the t-shirt. So it looks pretty big. I did order an extra large. I like my shirts that big. So that is extra large. Got the GrubHub. I like the fact that it's bright red. Kind of like the bag that I use. It's bright green. And depending if it's night, sometimes I wear my safety vest. I just like to be very visible, make myself obvious who I am. So there, we got the hat, and we got the GrubHub t-shirt. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, there's a couple of things in here. Oh, how about that? Huh. Another bag, kind of like my green bag, except it's red. GrubHub, insulated bag. Nice big flap. How does that work with the handles? It's got a zipper here. Sorry guys, this isn't rocket science, but when it's this time of night, I've been working all day. That's pretty cool. So that zips up. I guess you put either hot stuff or cold stuff in there. This is pretty nice. This is all included when you sign up. So even if you never make a delivery, you can get a free hat. I'm pointing to the shirt I'm wearing. A free hat and a free t-shirt. I could swear though I ordered the polo shirt. But hey, it was free, so I am not going to complain about it. You can never have too many t-shirts. And what else do we have in here? Make sure there's nothing else down in there. There's nothing in there. This was sent via priority mail from the Postal Service. I want to say I got it in about 3 or 4 days after being approved. Maybe there's a few more. So this must be the, oh man, the pizza delivery bag. It helps when you just pull right there where it's actually made to open. This sucker's pretty big. You should be able to get just about any size pizza in there. Got your handles. Just opens up on the side. Boom, yeah, you can fit quite a few. It's got some vents on the side. So that's pretty cool. So now if I do get any pizza deliveries, got my pizza box. Regular restaurant, don't want to carry that big box. Got my GrubHub bag. Alright guys, so that was just a super quick video. I just wanted to show you what all came with the GrubHub sign up package. And I am going to bed. So until next time guys, like always, let's get out there and make that money. I'll see you in the next video. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. When you subscribe, there's a symbol of a little bell. Click that bell so you'll be notified when I make another video. I'm tired, I'm going to bed, and I will catch you guys next time.